Lacrosse, pinasa pa rin. Wala. Mag-aagawa ng bola.
Number 13.
Play.
Rebound and a
Put back shot, first blood, 14 Baguio.
out.
Open for 3. Bang! Number 16. Attacking side step of the glass. And 10 to na.
Pass it to the middle.
Perimeter shot. And a basket for number 8. Basketball, magawan ulit.
Number 4.
No! Easy basket again for Team Baguio. Wide ang gupit na move na yun. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Karaamid 2024 para sa laban ng Baguio at Apayao. And here's the jump ball. And first ball possession for Team Apayao. And sa gilid, take. Sa gitna, tataldag number 13, maagawan dito. And here's number 11. Passes to the middle. Well, stolen. Spin, oops. Number 5, fire for a 3. Rebound and a putback shot. First blood, 14 Baguio. And fourth back. Number 14. And number 11. Attacking the rim. Fires. Wala. And rebound, number 7 for Team Baguio. And number 24 here, Yasha. Number 5, number 16. What a ball movement. And here's number 5, pass to the middle. Ayaw pa rin itira, sumalaktak. What? Yes sir, for 2 points, number 24. And here's Baidan. Magawan, pass break. And easy basket for Team Baguio and 6 to ng Team Baguio. Number 14. And Margarata inbounding the ball to number 11, number 16. And a jump shot. Pasok yan for number 7, Castillo. Maagawan na naman, number 16. Attacking side step of the glass. And 10 to... Sa gilid. For trip. Wala. Put back shot. And yun. Nabuta sa... Nabasag ang itlog ng Team Luna. O, sa open of the glass. Castillo. Team Luna. Bounce pass. Magawan ulit. Number 5. Dire-diretso. Easy basket again for Team. Ayun.
Matulot.
Pass inside. Libre. Yes, sir. And here's number 11. Crossing the mid lane to number 5. Attacking the rim, kick out, number 24 for 3, bang! 3! And 6-18 ang score. Still lamang ang Team Baguio. Matatapikan dito, De La Cruz maagaw yung bola. Pass to number 14, attacking the basket. Floater, offensive foul. And long pass there. Fires basket and 1. And 10 to 20 ang score mga idol. Sa loob. Number 14 to the middle. Kick out. Open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Again. Team Baguio. Ball possession fires. Oops. Too strong. And dire-diretso fires off the window. Manny. Okay, for the first quarter. Darden. Cross pass. Number 10. Oy! Butat ang inabot. And Daka, pass to Castillo, and pull up Jay, money for Castillo. Castillo, huli na naman. Number 11, straight to the basket, plays up. Castillo there for the rebound. And number 24, uy, sayang, di ko nakita yung mga. Last 2 points, 14 Baguio. Hook matatapitan. Recover, number 14, Aspili. Pass to Baidan. Baidan na atake sa loob. Castillo again passes up. Ball is stolen to number 1. And here's Baidan. Derecho floater. Wala. Rebound. To number 14 Aspili. To the middle. De La Cruz. Fires. And that's the tank build. Back. Number 7 De La Cruz. Up. Number 11. Bounce pass. Power. Ooh, again. Castillo. Baidan. Pass to the side. Pinabitin pa. Sumobra. Margarata. Margarata. Pull up J. Money. 19 to 30 ang score mga idol. Pass to number 4. Aspili. Wala. Too strong. Margarata. 1 versus 2. Fire. So, the lucky bang. And here's number 14, Aspili. Kick outside, number 4. Bounce pass inside, number 8. Napaagaw lang. And here's Team Baguio. Attacking the rim, fires and the net. And here's number 1, passes off. Matatapikan dito ni Espinosa. Lays up by Margarata. Number 30, pass back. Matatapikan na naman dito. Mare-recover. Number 1 is Tin. Open for oop. Umistin. Atake. Binitbit. Hook shot. Pasok yan kay Aspili. And here's number 6 to number 1, Darden. Number 6. Number 25, pass to Darden at the middle. Spin move. Fires using the glass. Wala. Rebound number 30 for Team Luna. Nagmamadali. Behind the back dribble. Pass it to the middle. Perimeter shot. And a basket for... And here's number 6. Pass to number 4. Looking for receiver. To the middle. Darden. Open inside. And here's Team Luna. Number 30. And pass it to number 1. Pass back. Number 30. Side step, up, hook shot, wala, rebound. And here's Team Baguio, Darden, cross pass, stop, fires, number 4 pa rin, the rebound. Side step, oy, ang ganda namang lusot yun, lusot na lusot. Perimeter, long shot, money on the... Number 6 to number 1, cross pass. Number 4, try for a 3-4 shot. Bang! Spin move, fires. Ang gupit na move na yun. And 2 minutes left on the second quarter. And Darden holding the ball, passes to number 6. Number 4, launch a 3. Bang! And last 1 minute left on the second quarter. Bounce pass to Darden. Darden fires off the glass. And a pass break for Team Luna. Alley-oop pass to Aspili. Rebound, putback shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound, uulitin. Second chance, wala pa rin. And it's a backdoor inbound. Number 4, pinilit. Sinot sa ilalim ng ring. And number 5 to number 11. Pass inside, napakagandang connection to Castillo. Oh, maagawan na naman dito. Pass it, oh, again, the connection in... Number 11 to number 13, De La Cruz. Stop, kick out to number 11, Baidan. And here's Baidan. Titira sa 3, too strong. Stop. Titira sa 3. Bam! 3-4 to Baidan. Number 1. Oop, kick out. Long 2. Too strong again. Oop, maagawan na naman. Espinosa fires. Wala. Rebound nandun si Castillo to save the ball. De La Cruz, kick outside. Launch a 3. Wala. Dire-diretso Castillo, basket and one. Number 24, Yarsha, bang! For the inbound. Attacking the basket. Inasahan ng kalaban. And here you go, Margarata. Side step, floater shot, and the lucky bounce. Margarata. And to number 16, back. And attacking the basket, side step, Aspili. That's Biden for the inbound, looking for a receiver to Aspili. Fires for three, it's too strong. And the rebound by number 11 is Espinosa to Margarata. Margarata. Pass back to Espinosa. Pass inside the connection again. And here's for the inbound. Pass back Biden. What a ball movement. The rotation for Team Luna. Humahanap ng butas. And here's Biden. Chest pass to number 1. Looking for a receiver. And here's De La Cruz. Number 1 again. And that's... And number 25 to the middle. Number 4. Floater shot. Rebound. Put back shot. And bangs it home. And here's Team Luna, number 30. Ibababa ang bola behind the back dribble to Baidan. Pass back number 30. Hahanap ulit ng butas. Fake, fire sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Darden. And pass to the middle, number 25 for Team Baguio. And here's Darden, pass back. 4-3. Bang! Number 4. 25-10. Attack the basket and far off the glass. And lays out basket. Ang gandang pa sa mga 10 seconds left on the shot clock. Oh, time to play. Lays up, pinabol pa. And that's the end of the third quarter. Biden. Huli na naman. Money. Put back shot. Historian. Number 11. Pull up J. Oh, kata.
For natin guys, 87.
Oh, Garden for 2. Fires.
Number 11.
Makakabutas na sila. Yes, sir. And here's Team Bag. Papayaw, pass inside. Yo, 2 points. Number 4 is top looking for receiver. Number 16 attacking the rim. Floater off the glass and bangs it home. Pass inside, fire. Off the window, yes sir. 4-3.
Healthy shoot.
Oh, niligaw! Here you go again, Team Baguio. Valero passes out to the middle, number 6. Looking for receiver, number 4. Attacking the rim. And pull up J off the window, money! For Team Baguio. To the middle, number 4. Pass to the middle, pull up J. Nagmakaawa yung bola po. 97 to 36 and still Baguio up by more than 50. Atake, pinabomba and a basket for number 1. Process the mid lane. Diskarte. Stop. Pass to the middle, number 10. Spin move, kick out. Pass to number 6. Cross pass to number 4. Open for 3. Bang! Off the glass. Minutes left on the fourth quarter. Number 1. Pass inside. And too strong. Still. Wala pa ring score. And here's number 6 for Team Baguio. Pass to the middle. Again for 3. Bang! Back! Number 30, De La Cruz. Pass back. Number 30. Floater shot. And bangs it for the hole. And 9 seconds to shoot for Team Baguio. Bounce pass at the back door. And here's number 10. Floater shot. The save and the shot. And a basket. And number 30. One dribble. Passes to De La Cruz. Ball is stolen for Team Baguio. Number 16 is there. Bounce pass inside, fake and fire. The clutch shot coming from. And 30 seconds left on the fourth quarter. Crossover move to De La Cruz. Spin. Bounce pass inside and fire. End of the game. Final score 40-107. Congratulations, Team Baguio.